right there. Soul Searcher. Hey, Yoyo started it off. I got Jailbird and WDC, and Soul Searcher come up the middle, man. He knocked everybody from left to right. He knocked everybody from left to right out there. Soul Searcher, come on. Contact. Hey, Jailbird and Yoyo out there. Soul Searcher said he wish you well, man. He wish both of you guys well out there, man. It's all in fun, man. Hey, Yoyo and Jailbird. Soul Searcher said he wish you well. Then break. Right there. To leave him on the mall, Jailbird. You say call your name by yourself. But he just wishing you well, man. He just came out there and wishing you well out there, Jailbird. Hey, Jailbird, I'm calling your name by yourself, but he just wishing you well. Bye.
Tell him I wish him well right back. Tell him Jailbird said wish him well right back. I wish him well right back. 817, Jailbird. Bye. Soul Searcher, Yoyo, say hello to him, man. Hello. 5, 817, Yoyo, go.
Contact. Hey, Soul Searcher. Jailbird said he wish you well right back. Hey, Soul Searcher. Jailbird wish you well right back. And then you go to Maryland out there. Yoyo said he put that friendly wave. He wish you well right back too out there. Soul Searcher 210-5s. Bye.
Bye.
That kind of big and top cat came out to play real hard, man. He said he don't care about no doggone Yoyo. He don't care about no Jailbird. He just came out here plowing the fields, man. He taking everything out. Take it, Top Cat, 817 Mobile. Bye.
I just won't let them boys know. They coming because ain't nobody out there scared of them.
Well, you said and then nobody's scared of them. That's what you said, Top Cat. Hey, Top Cat, you came out and made a statement, man. Hey, Top Cat, you came out and made a statement, Top